Hello students. Leibowitz Social Anxiety Scale is a scale to measure the social anxiety of people, and in this practical class we are going to know about this scale in detail. Now let us look at the scale. It was developed by Leibowitz in 1987, and there are 24 questions or items. The person has to answer and give the responses which he feels has occurred in the last week. And the scale provides mental health professionals, clinicians with 6 scores representing the following: total fear, total avoidance, fear of the social situation, fear of performance situation, avoidance of social situation, and avoidance of performance situation. Now let us look at what is social phobia. The definition: it is a persistent fear of embarrassment or negative evaluation. Uh, Many of us, when we are in a social circle, when we are surrounded by people, or we are in a classroom, or where if we are in out somewhere in a marketplace or in a party, we tend to be possessed by certain anxious feelings, uneasy feelings. And this is a scale that will actually find out the cause of the feelings and help the professional to plan out actions, to plan out a program to actually help the person come out of this situation. And this scale has been used in many cognitive, that means thinking, behavioral treatment of social phobia. And he was a psychiatrist, Leibowitz, and this scale measures the way that social phobia plays a role in the life of a person. Each questions should be read carefully. It's a self-report measure, and accordingly the responses should be put against each. As I said already, it's a 24 item, and some of the researchers like Hamburg et al. They have studied the reliability and validity of this scale, and they have found that this scale is very much reliable to measure the social phobia. Now these are the different responses, uh, and we give 0 for none, 1 for mild, 2 for moderate, and 3 for. Now if the person has not faced that situation, the person can at least imagine and give the responses. And this is the scoring. A person who scores between 55 to 65, uh, we say has moderate social phobia. 65 to 80, marked social phobia. 80 to 95, severe social phobia. And greater than 95, very severe social phobia. This is the actual scale developed by the psychiatrist, and these are the some of the instructions given as to how to begin the self-report measure. And this is adapted from the website, and there are a lot of online resources where you will get the scale. This is how the actual looks. These are the questions and the responses given. This Leibowitz social anxiety scale It enables to measure the social anxiety disorders, and it was found to be very reliable, and it's more than 90% of the individuals, this it has been accurately administered, and it has been accurately interpreted. And these are some of the references for further and detailed learning of the scale. Thank you.